Today we are going to make mandala painting by using the ingredients which we get it at home. So I've used a diary, and as tools for making mandala I've taken two pencils, one toothpick and one earbud, and I've taken acrylic colors. If you want to buy the colors, I will be giving a link in the description box, and for the pencils also. So if you want to buy, you can buy it from there. Okay, so let's start with the painting. So what I have done is, if you can see closely from here, I've taken a midpoint here, okay, and I've taken 8 centimeter sides and the middle point for this, just so that we can get the direction to make the painting. So if you can see this, these are the midpoints, okay. And so let's start. So I'll be just guiding you step by step for this. So any color combination and design you can start with. So just let's start with the design. So for the middle dot, I'm just taking this, and now I'll make a big dot in the middle. So I'll just dip in. So you don't have to add water in this, it's just the pure paint. So as you can see this, I'll just put a dot. You just have to make a dot, okay, and leave it here. Okay, so now I'm making a blue dot like this. So with just the back of the pencil, I will just be dipping it inside, and depending on the pressure, the dot will be bigger or a smaller. So first I'll make, if you can see this is the middle of the square. I've made a big blue dot. So now around this, so please keep a cloth like this, so that you can just wipe it off. Now I'll take a white color. So depending on your color combination that you like, you can use it. This is a Q-tip or a earbud, so you'll just squeeze it a little so that it becomes a proper ball over here. So now I'll dip inside the white color. And if you can see, these are the sides. So I have to make dots over here, first 4 dots over here, okay. So according to, as I said, you'll put a pressure, the size of the dot will vary. So we'll make sure that it is of uniform size. So let's do that. So now I'll make dots around this white. So I'm taking orange color. You can take any color, and with the tip of the pencil I'll make, so you can see tip of the pencil, I'll make small rounds. So the middle one will be bigger and then smaller. So as I said, according to the pressure that you put, the size will vary. So this is just the matter of practice. Now I'll take again the back of the pencil and make bigger dots in between these, okay. So just dip in like this and do bigger dots in between 2 white dots. Okay, and again between 2 pink dots we will make okay. So as you can see, I've made this. Okay, so what I did is in between two, the middle point I've put in two pink, and in between two pinks I've put in. Now I'll take tip of the pencil with the yellow color, and with the tip of the pencil I'll make again the same way the way we made orange. So bigger dot and small dot. Now I have made blue dots around the yellow. Now I'll take orange for making dots around the blue dots. Okay, so again on the pencil tip I'll make a bigger dot. Okay, you have to continuously dip in your pencil in it and make dots. Okay, so the bigger dot will be in the center and the smaller around it. Now with the Q-tip I'm taking yellow color in between. Just dip in the earbud or a Q-pin. Alright. So you have to take direction of the middle point, I mean the square that we have put in. You can even put line over here also, so like between two lines of one square to get the guideline more clearer. And if you find this is fine, then this is also good enough. Okay, so I'll try to make a bigger one. So every time you're using a different color, you have to clean it properly, otherwise the two colors will get mixed. Now as you can see, I've completed some more design. So I've made pink between yellow and above the blue ones. So I'll take green now just to break the monotony of the color and make bigger dot. Okay, so now I'll make in between two pink. So the more pressure that you give, the more bigger in size your circle will be. So make sure we don't have to go beyond our square. So accordingly you have to make the design. So I'll finish this and come back. Now I have made blue circles on just one side, you can see. So I'll make another color with the half of the green circle. So now I'll take yellow color and do it with a toothpick. Okay. So you can use your imagination and do different color combination. So now you can see I've completed around the green color. I've done half blue and half yellow. Okay, so now it's almost finished. So what you can do, any other color that you want to use, or we can just make like a straight line of the dots. So now I will use orange color to make a straight line of the dots. Okay, so I'm taking orange color. Again you can take a q-tip, sorry, the toothpick, and do it. So it will be like this. So as you can see, I'm just making a straight line. Now I'll take yellow color and make a bigger circle just at the border to finish. Okay, so we made 4 dots at the border, and now we'll make in between. Now I'll make some dots here, these 2 sides. Okay, so any color that you feel. So now I'm thinking I'll make blue again. Make sure it's filled properly. So that it looks good. Okay, so now we'll make I'll make some dots here, these 2 sides. Okay, any color that you feel. So now I'm thinking I'll make blue again. Now I'll make pink dots around the yellow dots. Okay, so the more intricate design you want to make, you can make. So now I'm thinking I'll make pink dots around the first smaller yellow ones. Okay. So the way you want, you can make an intricate design. If you like it little more crowded, so you can make more dots. It's just the game of the dots. and this looks very good. Or you can make it over a glass, you can make it over a purse or a book that you want to gift it to somebody. You can make it over a dress maybe, or a handkerchief. Now I'll make green dots around the yellow one. So again a bigger dot of green, the smaller around it. The more you practice, the more fineness comes. Now I'll do pink around the blue. Now I'll make smaller dots around orange one. Again the same sequence. Now I'm ending towards the outside, so the smaller one will be towards the end and starting with the bigger one.